Hi there. My name is Trevor Thomas, and I'm the creator of The Journey Inward. And I want to walk you through, if you've been invited to join somebody's group on The Journey Inward, here are the basic steps for how to actually create an account and get into the group and start utilizing it. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to thejourneyinward.com. Up in the top right-hand corner, there's a button that says login/join. Click that button, and then you're going to click where it says create an account. And that takes you to the checkout page. This is the checkout page to just create a free account on the Journey Inward for yourself. So go in here, add in your username, set up a password, add in your email address. And this is the important part. Choose the email address that the person that invited you to join the group emailed you at. So if that email address is in here, then you will automatically be added to that group once you use that email address to sign up. So just fill in the rest of the information, plug in your email address, select the little checkbox, go down here and agree to the terms and policies, submit, and confirm. You'll receive a welcome email that gives you a list of all the different things that you can do on the site that you may want to check out. Once you've done that, it'll also automatically log you into the website for the first time. That takes you to something called the members area. Now, this members area is where you can get access to every aspect of the site, all from one place. The important things that I want to tell you about as part of being a part of somebody's group are over here in this sidebar. First thing is, under this members area, you're going to want to go down to My Settings. And what that lets you do is that lets you edit your profile. So everybody gets a profile on the Journey Inward. And when you click in this little sidebar and go down to My Settings, you can get to this page, which looks a little technical, but it's pretty basic. These icons here are the different things that you can add, that you can set up. So you can check out your profile by clicking on this one. You can see some more info down here. You can set up the about info. You can add interests. You can fill out your profile like you would on any social media site. You can add your social networks so that people can see links to your social networks. You can change your avatar. That's this little smiley face image right next to my name. You can change your cover image, etc. All of those changes show up on your actual profile. So the second thing you want to check out is in this little icon is going to be your image. In this little drop down here, you'll see the My Groups section. When you click on that, it takes you to a page in your profile that shows you which groups you are a part of automatically. So that will also include the group that you just signed up to be a part of. So once you're here, click on that group, and it will take you to the actual group. So we're using the Journey Inward Planner group as an example. So I can kind of show you what the different capabilities are inside of that group that you are now a part of. So once you're in your group, and all you have to do to get back to your group is go to thejourneyinward.com and log in, and then go to that same place. In this sidebar, go to groups, and then click on the group that you want to be in, and it'll take you straight here. So Journey Inward groups work basically the same way as a Facebook group. First page is where you can add your own status updates, and you can add pretty much anything you want. You can add photos, you can add a quote, you can add animated GIFs, you can upload files, you can add links to things. So this is how you would add, like, say, a YouTube video that you wanted to showcase. And once you do that, it'll show up in the content that you post. And there's all kinds of other stuff. You can tag friends. You can tell people how you're feeling. You can add emoticons. You just post it and it shows up in this window. So this is where you want to go to see the activity that's happening inside the group that maybe other members are sharing, or maybe the group admin is sharing about a new upcoming event that's happening or something that you might want to check out. You just log into the group, and the very first page you go to will show you the activity that's happening in that group. Second section is called the inspiration section, and not all groups have this. Some of them do, some of them don't. This is basically an area where you can go, and of course you need to be logged in to do that. You can go to the inspiration section to actually see inspiring content that people have posted on the site related to what this group is about. So it's a setting that the admin can set up that allows you to kind of see inspiring content that other people have posted related to this group. So you can go here and just kind of get inspired. check out some other people's posts. Just, see what some other people have posted in the group. And all of this stuff is what's in the inspiration section in the top up here. But that's something we can get into in a different video. So the inspiration section, somewhere to go to get inspired about the content that your group is around. The media button is just a place that sort of houses all the content that you post on the homepage all in one place. Any photos, any videos, audios, files that are uploaded, they'll all show up on this page. Zoom chat is another one that may or may not be turned on with your particular group. This is a place where people can go to actually participate in a video conference call that's integrated inside the group. So you don't have to open up Zoom, you don't have to go to download any programs or anything like that. You just participate in a video call that might have been set up by your group admin, or maybe they've set up a little free area that anyone can go and join a Zoom call to participate with other people. So this is just the one place that you go to get that info. And there may be some more info that displays below it that might be related to that particular call that the admin has added. It'll show up or it won't, depending on what they've added. So the Zoom chat button is where you want to go to attend any video calls that are set up in your group. The forum is another one that can be on or off, and it's just a place where people can frequently asked questions. So maybe the admin has added a bunch of frequently asked questions that you can find answers to in the forum, or you can post your own. You can just add a question that you might have, and either other members or the person that created this group will answer them. The events section is where you go to see any events that are happening related to the group, whether they're in person, online, group-only events, maybe upcoming Zoom chat calls might show up in here. And then you can go and you can RSVP for it, which means you'll receive an email letting you know when that event is coming up. Or you can just go straight there to find out more information about upcoming events that you'll want to put into your calendar so that you're ready to just jump on that Zoom call whenever that's happening. Files section is another area where admins can add content that you might be interested in. PDFs, Word documents, anything that's related to what the group is about will show up in the files section. Members section is where you can go to see other members that are part of the groups. So you can go check out their profiles. You can follow their content. You can see what they're up to. You can make friends with other people, message them directly. If they're online and in the group, you'll actually be able to live chat them in this little live chat box in the bottom right-hand corner. And that's also got its own video feature. So if you wanted to jump in with somebody and you were chatting with them, you want to jump into a quick video call, you just hit the little start video chat button and jump into a video call with a friend of yours that's on the journey inward. You can do that right in the live chat. You can see what the capabilities are inside here next to each of the people in the members area. Final piece is the goals section. So the goals section is goals that the group admin can create for everybody in the group to participate in. So they can create group goals that you also receive kind of a reminder email about when it's coming up, and you can come in and check them off as you finish them. The admin can create group goals for everybody in the group to participate in. Again, this is something that may or may not be used by this particular group admin, but that's where you would go to do goal planning. So that's basically it for groups. There's a whole bunch of other stuff that the website does, but in terms of joining a group and then utilizing that group, those are all the basic capabilities. Thank you very much for watching.